Gas is expensive. If you have an old gas can like this, I'll teach you how to make a wood stove with a chimney for the smoke. This way, you'll save on cooking gas. It's very easy to make, quick, super cheap, and I'm sure you'll love it. You should watch the video and follow the step-by-step instructions because it's very easy to make a wood stove with a chimney. To make it more economical and easy for you, I'm using recycled materials that are easy to find anywhere. Besides, my goal is to make a stove that is beautiful, safe, and efficient. What you're seeing here is where I'll place the wood to burn. It may seem simple now, but it will look really nice in the end. See how easy it is. I just need to place this can inside this one and make it secure. I'll cut it and attach it with a piece of wire. Now, I'll open a space in the gas can where I can fit this can to place the wood. I'll use this bottle to make the chimney opening. You can use a knife or saw to cut it. I need to secure this bottle with wire, making sure it's firm. It's simple. I drill a hole and use the wire to secure it. I'm cutting the chimney opening, where I'll put the cement for the smoke outlet. Now look, we have the entire base of our stove. It was very simple, and it's going to look really nice. Now I'll make the concrete with 1 part cement to 2 parts sand and water. Just mix well and fill our stove. I'm using pieces of styrofoam to create empty spaces. Once it's dry, I'll remove the styrofoam. These spaces are for the intake and exhaust of air circulation. These are pieces of iron that serve as support to prevent the wood charcoal from falling out, leaving only the ashes. They also help with air circulation. Now, I'll place the support where I'll put the wood. See how simple it is. I placed a brick just to apply downward pressure, keeping everything firm, but I'll remove it later. Now, just add the concrete around the edges, filling everything. This styrofoam is where the smoke will exit. Once it's dry, I'll remove it, leaving only the empty space for the smoke. Now look at this. This is the top part, where the pot will set. Now just fill it with concrete. Remove the brick and fill again with concrete where the stove's chimney will go. All the material is recycled, so I'll use another bottle and a pipe for the chimney. Once the concrete is dry, there will be no problem. Look how it's turning out. Now let's wait for the concrete to harden. Today is the next day, and I should remove all the styrofoam and all the dirt from our stove. Now, I'll paint it to give it a little charm. I want you to be amazed by this stove. Now let's see if it works. I called my friend and we're going to make some fries to eat. I truly hope with all my heart that I've helped you in some way, and please help me by sharing my video. It means a lot to me. Be part of this chain of good. Thank you so much, and subscribe to the channel.
Super!